Hello all, welcome back to our favorite V and Data channel. Today let us discuss how to use select and distinct in SQL. Let us get into the video. As discussed earlier, today let us discuss about select and distinct. Select is used to view the contents in a table based on our requirements. To select a data from the table. Okay. The distinct is used to find the unique values from the column or a group of columns. For that we are using the keyword called as distinct. Let's start with select. So from the employee info table, we are selecting the first name. So the select and from are the keywords. So from the employee info table we are selecting the first name alone. So when we run this we are getting only the first name column alone. Okay, why? Because we have given only first name. So first name column is displayed from the employee info table. So now I am selecting a multiple columns, like 2 or more columns we can give. So select first name, last name from the employee info table, which means from the employee info table I am selecting the first name and the last name. Now the output is first name and last name, like the first name and last name column will be displayed. Now when I want all the data of the table, I give select star. Star means it is selecting everything from the table. Select star from the table. Now all the columns will be displayed. All the data from the table will be displayed. Let us see. So now the full table is viewed. So now if we could see this table, we are not having like so much of repeated values. So what we are doing, if you could remember in the previous video, we have added a column using a CSV file. So we are using the same query to add the same data once again, so that we will get a duplicate values. So now if we could see, we are getting two duplicate values, 8FF and 8FF. Why? Because we have added the previous value once again. Now we are selecting distinct first name from employee table. So we already know select first name from employee info table will give all the first names. When I give distinct near the column name first name means the unique values in the first name will be displayed. There will be no repetitions. So now let us think what will be the output. So what will be the output means the first name will get the first name without any repetition. So now if we could see, we are getting only 8 rows, and if you could see, only one time FF is written. So once again if I run fully, I am getting 9 rows, but when I select distinct for the first name alone, I am getting 8 rows because only 8 distinct values are there in the first name. It is removing the duplicates and it is showing only unique time. Okay. Now what I am doing, I am selecting the first name along with the age, but here the distinct is applied only to the first name. So we are getting only 8 rows. This is how we have to use the distinct keyword. Now select distinct star from employee info table. So now what will happen is, it will check the whole row should be unique. Okay, all together it should have a distinct value. The same kind of row should not be repeated again. So now what is happening? We are getting only the 8 rows. The full should be distinct. Full row should be unique. So today we have learned how to use select and distinct. In our future videos, let us see more about the SQL and SQL analytics. Until then, it is bye from our favorite V and Data channel.